Anong plan mo?
We have to change the pod, brake pod, and then paint this red.
Red color?
Red.
Red?
Yep.
As in red? Okay. Let's do it.
And that's the brake pads. And then this is the color, pula.
Red.
Titignan natin kung bagay ba siya.
Wow! Noise! Looks like good to me. So we just remove the dust. Stick onto the caliper. Okay.
Lakas nun ah.
Nung hindi ka kasali dito. See? This one is 12. And the other one is 13. Oh no!
Ito na po yung Uber Eats namin.
Wow, Uber Eats.
Wow!
Ano ba yan?
What is that?
Oh my god, munggo with tinola. All together. Thank you, Uber. Uber Eats.
30 po yan.
$30. Oh my god, too expensive. Balik mo na.
Sarap, man!
Ayun ang tubig. Uber Eats, thank you so much.
Additional yan. Discounted na ba kami?
So rich. Yummy with rice. It's not sticky rice. Yeah.
Luya.
Ha?
Luya pala yan.
Ginger. Ang gusto mo ko eh. Kaya mo tayo habang nagtatrabaho.
Grabe, ang sarap. Ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng ganito ah. Yung buto, Brad.
Delicious.
Pwede ko pa kanin na.
Soft bone.
Yun lang, try mo to.
While you are eating, I'm doing this, alright? You happy?
I'm happy.
I'm talking to Luna. You're not happy?
Sobra.
Right. Everything is tight here, man. What's going on? You know her. I tie my neck. It should be very clean, yeah? Okay. Use this wire and then hang it up
Oh.
and then do the paint.
Yep.
Should be thick. Application. Let's wind it back with piston because we have to replace the brake pads as well. Friction track. What do you reckon?
I guess so.
Why is it rubs here? Is this the wrong one? Wrong pads. See the difference? It's not gonna work, man. So we're gonna reuse this one. Okay? Put this back on. It's still good. It has a, I would say, 50% of its life.
Yeah.
It'll take a year or so. More than a year. Depends on how you use your brakes.
Maybe that one is for rear.
No.
Wow, man.
Man, what do you mean, man?
Looks sick, man.
May sakit ba? Okay.
May
Right.
sakit.
I think you need the new rims. Hindi siya bagay yung dumi, oh. So dirty.
Linisan ko lang yan.
Okay. So tired, man. Dapat kanina mo pa nilisan yun eh.
Oo, eh.
Diba? Told you. That's a good idea. No need to remove. Old car is a good car, you know. Basics. Not much electronic, you know. What is that white color? Is it the liquid
Yeah.
chemical for
Yeah.
cleaning?
Yep. I did clean it as well.
You have to clean it properly, bruh. Use water after you apply anything, any chemical. Use water, man. See? It's better than before. Oh! Look at your rotors. May pintura na sa rotor.
Okay lang yun.
Is that alright?
That's alright.
Let it dry first before you apply another coating.
Yep. That's alright.
It will catch fire when it burns, you know?
No.
Pagka nag-friction yan, you know? Your favorite color is red, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at your shoes. Hindi mo kaya nindihan, no? Ayun, no? So ugly, bro. Oh, nagdi-drip, bro.
Sorry, bro.
Oh, look, what did you do? Sa aking floor.
Sorry. Second coating na.
Second coating. Is it dry already?
I don't know. Yeah, it look like.
Looks like it, yeah? Looks like it's dry. Tire shine. That's my tire shine, bro.
No, it's mine.
Yours?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, I bought it, man.
Alright. Because I don't know. I didn't know. Sorry for that.
So, diba?
What?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So you have
Everything
you have a lot
in
of
here.
stuff for your car. Nice.
Let's do the
Last coating.
final coating.
Alright, do it.
Yep. And
Alright, final coat.
done. Hindi pa na ibababa pero tingnan mo na yung tsura ko. Wow.
Ganun pala, tuntua na eh. No? Yan ang simpleng buhay. That's what I like from you, bro. Even a small thing, you are happy. You appreciate every single small things.
Siyempre!
You happy with your
Iba talaga Pinoy.
broom broom?
Taste ng broom broom.
Sa kapunta?
To the boom. Taas pa po. Mababa na siya.
Sino mo mababa, bro?
Mababa na.
Masaya ka?
Masaya ako nito.
Sure
sir.
ka?
Sobra.
Sobra? Over the clouds? Ha?
Yan. May torque pa. Kailangan pa ito. Diba?
Tanggal tayo ng gulong eh, so we have to torque it. Whoops! See, there's a loose one. Another one. Done! Ayun o.
Tignan mo naman!
Perfect. Very nice score. Tawa ang ngiti hanggang ng tenga oh.
Ang saya ko.
Sobrang saya. Magpaalam ka na.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Hope guys ma-experience na ito pumunta dito kay Joseph. It's good. Lahat okay.
Lahat okay? So, kompleto tayo rito, no? Kompleto tayo rito ng kalokohan. Hindi naman. Joke lang.
Ganda ba?
Maganda naman, syempre. Ano sabi sa channel ko today? Sabihin mo. Sino ulit?
Napakaganda!
No.
Napakagaling!
Thanks for watching my videos. Sabihin mo.
Ha?
Thanks for watching my video.
Ano?
Thanks for watching my video.
Thanks for watching my video! Bye-bye!